Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap crypto in Exodus wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supports over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's see how we can swap crypto in Exodus. So from this home page, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. And one of the icons you're going to find is a swap icon. So go ahead and click on the swap icon. And it's going to take you to the swap window. So over here, you're going to have to select the coin that you want to swap. This is BTC default, so click on this drop down menu and it's going to take you right here where you're going to have a wide array of assets. So if you cannot find any of the wallets or any of the assets that you want to swap, use the search bar to find it. So let's say I want to swap So you can click on that Solana and it takes you right in here. So what do you want to swap So for? Let's say receive a swap for Sol. So what do you want to swap this to? So go ahead and click on this. I want what? This is Ethereum. So select that and choose the currency that you want to get after swapping Sol. Let's say I want Matic. That's the Polygon. So you want to swap Sol for Polygon. Now say there's no Sol in your wallet. So in here, if you have Sol in your wallet, click here where you have this amount option to enter the amount of Sol that you want to swap. So that's 100. If you have enough balance, you're going to see the amount of Matic that you're going to get. So this is it. So this is the amount of Matic you're going to get. So once you're done, there's going to be an option for you in here for you to continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see that your transaction is going to take you through a process which is self-explanatory. So once you're done with that transaction process and your transaction has been successful and completed, you will see that your Solana will be swapped for Matic. So that's pretty much it. You can do that using any currencies or any, let's say, any cryptocurrency or any coin or any assets of your choice. So this is how to swap crypto in Exodus wallet. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Now remember, there's a second way to do that. And the second way to do that is to actually click on the assets from your home page. So once you get to that wallet window, okay, so let me just show you that before we end. There's a bonus. So I'm going back to the home page. So here from this home page, you have this 4 icons. This is not the home page, but in the home page you have this 4 icons. So click on the asset. And once you click on the assets window, go ahead and select the coin that you want to swap. So let's say you want to swap Bitcoin. So over here you have this 4 icons. So you have the send, you have this buy, you have the swap. So click on the swap icon and it's going to take you to the swap window. So the same window, so you can just repeat the same process. So these are like the 2 ways you can swap cryptocurrencies in Exodus. You can go about the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope these tutorials marvelously helped you search.